my next gen engineers. I'm Ankit and now I will make a new playlist of computer. I will
Thank
with
you,
the
Nissan.
zero level. Okay, so first I will start it with a introduction to the computer. Okay, so I'm just sharing my screen. Okay, Windows plus R. Okay, then we will open Notepad and then Control N for new blank page. Then we will say what is computer. What is computer? The word computer is derived from, so the word computer derived from a Latin word computi. Okay, and you can write. I will share my LinkedIn page. Okay, we'll share the PDF of it, which is created by me. Okay, in the description link. Okay, so to see what I'm saying, which means to calculate. Okay, rest of it you can see. Okay, I'm moving further. Okay, so computer is normally considering to be a calculating device. Okay, we'll write CPU. Do you know what CPU is? Its full form is Central Processing Unit. Performs only three basic functions: arithmetic calculations. Okay, in arithmetic calculation there is addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. You all know, I think you should know these all things. Okay, the main the main definition of a computer is an electronic device. Okay, which accepts the data from the user and stores it, processes it, and produces output. Okay, represent decimal number through their string of binary. Okay, digits, or technically a computer or high and speed electronic data processing. Do you know the father of computer? The father of the computer is Charles Babbage. Okay, Charles Babbage is called the father of the computer. First mechanical computer was designed by Charles Babbage for analytical engine. Let's move parts of a computer. Parts of computer is CPU. First part, Central Processing Unit. Okay, it stands for the Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer. You know. Okay. All calculations made inside it. Okay. Point is monitor. Monitor look like a TV screen. It's at home. What is keyboard? Keyboard is basically a typewriter like structure. Okay, it is keyboard. After keyboard, mouse. The mouse is used to select and move the pictures on the monitor. You should all know about mouse. Okay, next, CD drive is fixed inside the system box. Okay, it is used to read the CD. Okay, let's move to further point. Floppy disk drive. Okay, floppy disk drive. Floppy disk drive is fixed inside the system box. It is used to read CDs. Okay, and next point. And there are many more other points like speaker, joystick, printers. You all know that what a speaker is. The speaker that you are phone you are using right now. There's you are listening from the speaker only. Okay, that's the speaker. Joystick, printers. What is printer? Printer is some is used to print data from picture and paper. Four functions about computer. The four functions of computer are accept data input, process data processing, or produces data output, stores data storage. Then input data. Input is the information entered to a computer from input device, like pictures, letters, and images. Okay, and many more other things. Okay, I'm just moving in short. Processes data. Processes data is the operation of play. It is totally internal process. Okay, then output is the process given by computer after given by a computer given by a computer. Output is also called as result. We can save this result in the storage devices for the future use. Okay, let's move our third topic. Okay,
Java primitive
let's
हो
move our
गया
third topic, which is of computers. Okay, the base of main electronic component used in computer. They are classified into 5 categories. Okay, 5 categories. Okay, first generation computer, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and the last one, which is fifth generation, and the last one, which is fifth generation. Okay, so starting with first generation computers. Base of main will be based on stored programmed that was proposed by Dr. John Newman in 1945. Okay, this generation we was using vacuum tubes. In this period, magnetic tape drive drivers and magnetic core memories, we used memories were used ENIVAC, ENIVAC. Its full form is electronic integrator and calculator. This was the first electronic digit computer of this age. It uses about were used as computer programming language. This was hard to read and write programs by every person. Okay. Let's move on the key points. Vacuum tubes. Let's move on the key points. First point. Vacuum tubes were used as switching devices. Next. Large in size. It is large in size. High electricity consumption. It have high electricity consumption. Okay. It have a high electricity consumption. Next. It has very small memory in it. Okay. Then it generates heat because it's low level, very first generation, so that it has very few features installed. So at that time उस समय इतना हम लोग जानते नहीं थे, so we can't make that much program. Poor reliable. We can't able to rely on it. Okay, next point. Computer programming was done in machines. As symbolic language. Okay, computer are used for scientific and businesses application. ENVAC, ENAVAC. Its full form is electronic instructor numeric and calculator. Okay, and second example, ENVAC. Its full form is electronic district variable automatic. Electronic district variable automatic computer. Okay, that's correct. It's okay now. Second generation computer. Okay, let's talk about second generation computer. It has a new electronic device which is called as transistor. Okay, so let's write second generation computer uses a new electronic device called transistor in the place of vacuum tubes. Okay, transistor is only 1/200 of a vacuum tube. So right, vacuum tube. Next, storage capacity. Do you know storage capacity? Storage capacity of a computer, of a development of symbolic programming language. This is symbols was used in this generation. Let's talk about the key points of it. Second generation computers. Then first point, transistors. Transistors replaced vacuum tubes. Okay, next point, reduces size and more reliable. Okay, next point, less electricity consumption than the first generation computer. Okay, next, generate less heat than first generation computer. Okay, and it is also faster, and this is also faster than first generation computer. Next, core memory. Core memory were developed. Okay. And there are many more points. I will provide a file in the description link. Go and access from there. Okay. For more details. For example, IBM 700, IBM 1620, and IBM 7000, etc. Okay. Move further and talk about the third generation computer. In this generation computer, transistors were replaced by integrated circuits. Okay. ICs. In short, we call it ICs, which is a combination of numbers and transistors and other electronic components fused together on a single crystal. Okay. It means in third generation the combination of the transistors and other electronic components are fused together, मतलब दोनों मिलके एक solid crystal single crystal create किया. This generation is also called integrated circuits, ICs generation. This generation machine uses magnetic disk as secondary device. Okay. It has a high level language like BASIC, COBOL, etc. are developed in that generation. Okay. Let's talk about the key features of it. Point. ICs, which full form is integrated circuits, developed. Next point. Size reduced and more reliable than second generation computer. Third point, this will be development of mini computers. Okay. Then 4 point, multi-programming were invented. Next, in third generation computer, in this maintenance cost was low. In third generation computer, maintenance cost was low. Next line, better storage devices. Next line. For example, IBM 360 series, ICL 316, 2000, and there are more examples for it. Let's move on the fourth generation computer. Okay. Fourth generation computer. In fourth generation computer, ICs were replaced by microprocessor. It was based on the concept of very large integrated circuits. Its short form is VLSIC. Okay. And MOS, metallic oxide semiconductor. Therefore, consists of the entire central unit in a single chip. Microprocessor is very popular as microcomputer. In this generation, the size reduced and computer speed increased. Just our key points. First point, microprocessor used. Second point, small in size. Okay. Third point, negligible heat generated. Next point, compact size but faster speeds of processing. Next point, semiconductor used as primary storage. Next time, database management system. Next time, application development by users. Next, user-friendly software and etc. There are many more points. Let's take an example. For an example, IBM 370 series, Honeywell 6000 series, etc. Okay. Let's talk about our present generation, which is a 5th generation. Okay, let's talk about it. 5th generation computer. From 1986 to onwards till date today. I forgot that in first generation the computer were established in 1940 to 1956. Okay, I forgot. Sorry for it. In second generation, the timeline is from 1956 to 1963. Okay. Then coming in third generation, then coming in third generation, the timeline of the third generation computer is from 1965 to 1971. Okay. Then fourth generation, their timeline is from 1971 to 1980. Okay, let's come back to fifth generation computer. First point, artificial intelligence, which is our main motto in today's generation. Everybody is using artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the main concept of this generation. Okay, which behaves as the human beings. in this generation, computer VLSI, which is VLSI technology, were replaced by ULSI. Its full form is ultra large scale integration. This technology helped to develop the develop very small but extremely very powerful fast computer, which comes to be known as robots. AI is the robot you are in today's generation. Let's cover the key features. Processes, are grouped to function as one large processes. Second point, superconductor. A superconductor is conducted through which electricity can travel without much resistance, resulting in faster data transfer of data between the components of computer. Next point, uses organic chip. Next point, decreasing cost of software. Next, decreasing cost of hardware. Next point, large data
Ay, salah Maggie.
facility.
Okay.
Next line, artificial intelligence. Next line, high speed processes.
तो लाइट खोल के लाइट
High
जला
speed
इसको लगा
processing
कार का वो एक तो होल्डर नहीं रख सकते इसमें
and the full form of NLP. You should know NLP. NLP is natural language processing. Will be used in this generation. Okay. Currently is using in this generation. We are using NLP. Okay. So
नहीं
I am
नहीं
binding
भेजा मैं देख
for today. Let's move on the.
के 2 मिनट हाँ
So I am binding it for today. I will upload a new video tomorrow. So let's get updated, and I will provide the PDF of it in the description link. Okay, so get an access from there, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It will also include many other subjects like UPM, calculus and many more in upcoming days. So stay healthy, stay safe, and like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get the latest updates from here. Thank you.